Welcome back, beautiful viewers. Today we have a fantastic topic that everyone dreams of: how to make your hair long and luscious. Whether you're struggling with slow growth or simply want to add some length, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share the best tips and tricks to help you achieve your hair goals. So let's dive right in. Hey everyone, I'm excited to guide you on this hair growth journey. Before we begin, remember that patience is key. Growing long hair takes time, effort, and consistency. So let's start with the basics: nurturing a healthy scalp. The foundation of healthy hair growth lies in having a nourished scalp. Here's what you can do to achieve that. Proper nutrition. A well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is essential for healthy hair growth. Include foods like eggs, fish, nuts, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated, promoting optimal hair growth. Regularly massage your scalp using gentle circular motions to stimulate blood flow, which brings nutrients to your hair follicles. Hair care routine. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's focus on an effective hair care routine to maximize growth potential. Washing techniques. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair type. Avoid overwashing as it can strip away natural oils. Opt for lukewarm water instead of hot water to prevent scalp dryness. Conditioning. Apply conditioner mainly to the ends of your hair, as this is the oldest and most fragile part. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Avoid heat styling. Minimize the use of heat styling tools like straighteners and curling irons. Heat can damage your hair, leading to breakage and stunting growth. Hair care tips. Let's move on to some additional tips that can make a real difference in your hair growth journey. Trim regularly. Contrary to popular belief, regular trims help prevent split ends from traveling up the hair shaft. Aim for a trim every 8-12 weeks to maintain healthy ends. Protective hairstyles. Wear hairstyles that protect your hair from excessive manipulation and damage. Braids, buns, and ponytails can be great options. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid hairstyles that pull your hair tightly, as they can lead to traction alopecia and weaken your hairline. Treat your hair with care. Use wide-toothed combs or brushes specifically designed for detangling wet hair to minimize breakage. Supplements and home remedies. Lastly, let's talk about some supplements and home remedies that may aid in hair growth. Biotin supplements. Consult a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, but the biotin is known to promote hair growth and strength. Essential oils. Certain essential oils such as lavender, rosemary, and peppermint oil may help stimulate hair growth. Dilute them with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and gently massage them into your scalp. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this video. Remember, achieving long hair takes time and dedication, but with the right routine and care, you can absolutely do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Share your experiences and additional tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful.